Introducing the all-new Guyson 401T-MAX. Guyson's classic GWB 401T wheel blast machine was already a legend. Now we've made it even better. We've amped up the 401T from a single 5-horsepower direct drive blast wheel up to 10 horsepower. The result? The all-new Guyson 401T-MAX. With double the horsepower and double the speed, you'll get more work done faster than ever before. Now you can push your productivity to the max. With extensive R&D and analysis, our engineers have tuned the 401T-MAX for peak performance, striving for maximum media coverage and optimal efficiency. The MAX throws 284 pounds per minute of media, where the Classic does 190 pounds per minute. This versatile, airless wheel blast machine is designed for high quality, high speed, high volume processing. Whether you clean molds or dies, do surface prep, or cosmetic surface finishing, you can get your work done in nearly half the time. The 401T-MAX really delivers. Double the power, double the speed. Compact footprint. Less wear means less maintenance. Use less energy and save. From the moment the 401T-MAX hits the shop floor, you'll see the direct payback of the MAX. You'll get hours of high-quality work done faster than ever before. The machine ships fully assembled and is ready to work upon delivery. Simply connect power and air, and you'll be up and running in minutes. Boost your productivity. Get a 401T-MAX today. Guyson, delivering value and performance beyond expectations. Visit Guyson.com to see more.